good. I'm here with Melody Kantner, and Melody has been in network marketing for how many years?
It's been almost 16, but with one company for almost 14.
So 14 years with one company. She's been in the industry for 16 years. She's very successful. And I know that one of the things that plagues a lot of people, especially new people in the industry, is they have fear and different things that are stopping them from doing the daily activities they need to build their business. And you have written a book, especially for network marketers, about a technique called EFT. Tell us about it and what it does for people.
Well, EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And it's basically similar to the principles of acupuncture, where you're tapping on the points on the body, like the meridian points, and you're focusing on whatever negative issue you have and releasing those. And so whatever it is, like if you have procrastination as one of your issues, why are those things coming in, and you can focus and release it. And it helps you to move forward in your business. You don't have to be stuck.
So you're literally finding you learn about like a particular point in your body, and you're touching it in a certain way that you teach people in the book.
Yeah, you're tapping on it.
And it helps them stop procrastination or a fear of speaking on the phone or things of that nature?
Yes.
That's incredible. I mean, that could just help so many network marketers. Melody, if people want information about the book, where do they go?
They go to EFTsuccess.withmelody.com.
Okay, so we want to make sure the dot's in there. It's EFT, elephant, Frank and telephone or whatever, EFT
Success.
Dot
Melody, MELODIE.
But with Melody.
With Melody.
Right. So EFTsuccesswithmelody.com.
Yes.
Well, that's something I have to check out. It's incredible. Thanks for being here.